Hello, my name is Martin Berg and I work for the European Investment Bank. We're here today in Poland, in Katowice, at COP24, which is the annual climate change summit, which happens this year here in Poland. I actually have quite a long history with these type of conferences because I started as a student to work just after COP3, which happened in Kyoto at a small conference in Bonn. And so therefore I know those conferences quite well. And what I would like to do now is to show you a little bit around this COP. We are often asked, why are you actually here at a climate conference? This is completely policy oriented. You're not negotiating, you're not doing policy. And I think the answer is, if we really want to be serious in investing in climate action, we have to understand the policy discussions around it. And policy then is actually translated into real investment. For example, like mitigation activities, which is still the majority of our activities. Where we really struggle a little bit more is on adaptation, where it's much more difficult to find direct investment opportunities. What I want to do now is, I would like to introduce you to Jay Koth from the Lightsmith Group, who has a really great idea how investors can actually engage on adaptation and resilience. Adaptation is more challenging for us to finance because it's usually a byproduct of an infrastructure project. For example, building a bridge a little bit higher, that incremental cost we can account for as adaptation. But what we really lack is real investments into adaptation. So I'm here now with Jay. Hi, Jay. And Jay, tell us, how are you turning adaptation into an investment opportunity?
Well, what we had determined was at this stage there's an enormous opportunity to invest in companies that have technologies and solutions that can help assess the risks that will be generated by climate change and increased by climate change and help manage those risks. By scaling up those companies, we can both generate returns for investors and help to solve the problem.
And do you have a concrete investment opportunity for investors?
We've designed a strategy called CRAFT, which is a blended finance facility that's designed to crowd in capital from the private sector, as well as a technical assistance facility designed to help deploy those solutions as fast as possible, particularly in vulnerable populations, low-income countries, and small island developing states. So we've identified over 500 companies so far that are potential areas of interest that have data and solutions that can help solve the problem.
I think from our perspective, this is a great example how we can turn policy into a direct investment opportunity. Thank you very much for watching. That's all for me from COP24. Bye-bye.